What's up, YouTube? Welcome to our investing life. My name is Musa, and today topic going to be things I do not spend my money on slash try to lower the price. Like small area, I don't spend my money on it, and small area like I use it, but I try to lower the price and stuff. So yeah, if you like the video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, cause there's gonna be more video coming like this and stuff. And if you have any stuff you may talk about it, just like DM me or just comment down. I'll probably just make a video about it too, because I need more idea about making more video and stuff too. So yeah, so the first one is movie, and I don't go to the movie at all. For since I've been here, I've asked to go to the movie like I think 2 or 3 times. Like I don't, like, somebody pay for me when I went to the movie. Like I barely go to the movie. I can watch everything on my computer. I've got better. I got like a website I can go on to watch like free movie, and like it's gonna be brand new out and stuff. So I don't really go to the movie, and I also got like a TV too where I can also watch a movie over there. So yeah, so that's why I don't go to the movie. And the other one's gonna be video game. Like I play video game, I play a video game, but I don't spend money on it and that and stuff. Like some people, like they get like a package, or they get like a skin of the game, like Fortnite. They get like the skin, and then like you have to pay for that and stuff. Like for me, I think that's just a waste of money. Why am I gonna pay for a character like a skin and stuff, or like an upgrade, when I can just use that money on something else and just play a game? Like me, I'm not a big. I don't play game all the time like that because I'm too busy trying to do something else. Yeah, but I think like that's like a hobby people can stop and stuff. And the other one, it is gonna be like gym. Like I don't go to the gym all the time and stuff. All I do is like I just go in my room and just work out in my room, or like if I in my house I have like a space, and I can just have like a big space where I can just do my workout over there and stuff. So I don't need to go everywhere to do a workout. I can just do it right in my house. And the other one again is that when you go in the gym, like the gym, it costs too much money. Like it's like that. I don't know how much it costs, but it costs too much money. And sometimes you go there, it be like fill up and stuff, and it take a long time for you to work out. And you can do the same thing in your house, or you can just buy the material from Walmart or Amazon and just put it down and just do that in your house and stuff. If you have like a basement, you can do that in your basement. And the other one is like expensive stuff, like a Gucci shoes or a Gucci belt, or like a luxurious stuff, like don't give you no value and stuff, like a car and stuff. I try not to spend too much money on a car. Like I rather get a used car and stuff like I can pay off than to buy a car on a lease or loan and stuff, and I have to pay for all that stuff. And I think that's a better way. Like you can just save like a little bit of money and just pay for it off and stuff. And the other one is gonna be like late fee slash like for example, like me, I have a bank. I have bank and stuff, and then I used to get like I used to get like an overdraft fee on my, because I used to do like overdraft on my bank account and stuff. But because I don't know, like I never have a credit card before, so I really don't know how it was used. I was working, and that's why I used to got like overdraft fee on my stuff all the time. Until now, I went to the bank and I talked to them and stuff, and it showed me a better way that I can do that, and it also showed me some way I can do on my phone, where I can set a limit on my phone, and then when you go over that limit, like purchase not gonna go through and stuff. And I also on my phone, I got like a notification where every time I make a purchase or someone make a purchase on my card, it's going to send me a notification and where they make a purchase at too, so I can go back to the area and see who make a purchase over there. Stuff. Yeah, and I think most of the bank then like they offer that. You just need to ask them. If you ask them, they probably are gonna tell you, like they just gonna really gonna wait and tell you like so much stuff you can do and stuff. And also like credit card fee too. Like I don't got a credit card because I don't believe in credit and stuff. But if you got a credit card, make sure like you pay on time and stuff. Because if you not pay on time, that's gonna increase your fee up, and you have to pay for that too. And on rent too, like one time, like on rent, like try to pay your rent on time, because that's gonna save you a lot of money for not paying like a late fee and stuff. And the other one is gonna be a phone bill. Like I got a phone, but what I do is like I try to lower my phone bill like so low and stuff. Like a story, like I used to get like I also got like in Spring, but I was paying too much money for Spring. Like I also got two phone on there, and me and my brother, cause we got like iPhone like 10 something like that, iPhone X, and we get it, and we used to pay like almost 200 just for the internet and the phone and all that other stuff, and like listening from everything like that, listening from everything. We used to pay 200 and like 200 every month, something like that. And if you multiply that, that's a lot of money and stuff. Like that's a lot of money spending right there. So what I did, like I try to pay up the phone right away. I just work hard and stuff, do other stuff then, and then pay for it off. And then I just get up from Spring right away, and I went to cricket. And now like I'm paying less money. Before I used to pay more money, and I used to, internet sucks, and now I'm paying less money and the internet is really good. I'm just paying $25 for my internet. And you can do that too. All you do just pay your phone off, or just if you got on the internet and you just paying for it, and you just try to call everywhere and trying to find a better way that you can lower your price and stuff. And also like on the internet too, you can do the same stuff on the internet too. If you got like an internet, get like a Wi-Fi home, like if you get Wi-Fi, you can try to lower that too. Like me, I used to got like Affinity, and Affinity like what I hate about Affinity internet, it's like they they get a limited plan and they get on like it's not unlimited. But one day I was like I need a plan and stuff, and then they literally just give it to me. She didn't tell me which one it was and stuff. So I'll end up like using the stuff, and they end up overcharging me and stuff. And I remember paying like almost one 100 or 700 something like that. 100, I'm say 700, 100 or 150 or 180 just for internet and stuff, because I always used the bill. And I called and I was like, why you charge me so much money? And it was like, oh, you got over a bill. And I was like, so why did not let me know, or give me a call or let me know and stuff? So I just leave it and stuff, and I went to AT&T, and then AT&T, they offer me a good plan, and I just pay $40, and I think that's really good. Like just $40, and they give you like they give me like 1 terabyte, and I barely use that. I barely use the 1 terabyte, and I also got my phone too, so I'm ready to be on that all the time. But yeah, that's some tips you can use and stuff. I probably want to talk about more, but I want to go in deep. So if you like the video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel too, and leave a comment down, man. That will really help me.